you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and as you can see, it's a bright sunny day for our Octoberfest 2 Food Pantry haul. Come on and see what I got. Starting from the left to the right, we have some wonderful canned goods. Again, we did get some wonderful diced tomatoes, no salt added, low sodium spaghetti sauce, and we got some more spaghetti sauce and some more diced tomatoes. So you know what people have been asking me to make, and I've never made it, and I should? Goulash. Yes, I am curious to see how it comes out. Mixed vegetables. Oh, so many things we can do with that. You saw my chicken pot pie soup. Yes, or chicken pot pie. Or we could put it in a quiche. Yes, we could. Veggie quiche. We got some wonderful pinto beans. I could use this for chili or soups, and I think it's going to go in a soup I'm going to make. I'll tell you about that in just a minute. We got some collard greens. That's a hint on one of the soups I'm going to make. We got some mixed green beans. And these are no salt added. Yes, yes, yes. I got some sliced pears. I got some more sweet peas with no salt added. Oh, yeah, let me see these here. We got some pink salmon. Don't worry, sweetheart. I know you wrote to me and said what to do with the cans of salmon. I'm about to show you. We got some cream of chicken. I'm going to use that as a base for another dish we're making. Then I got some more peanut butter. I'm going to go peanut butter crazy over here in a minute. We got some knockoff Rice Krispies, which I love. Make Rice Krispie treats out of that. We got my absolute favorite. I got some pinto beans. These are a wonderful side dish, especially during the holidays. I love them. We got some golden split peas. I'm going to make a wonderful big old pot of split pea soup. We got some raisins. Love raisins. And I got some pecans. I'm gonna have Miss Brenda make some more cookies. We got some oatmeal. Apple cinnamon. Oh, I love this. Then we got some more penne pasta, which is gonna be right on time, because I am going to do some casseroles as well as soups. Oh, we could do cold salads, but that's better in the summertime. But I want to do a dish with this. It's going to be a surprise. Jumping over here, we got some veggies. Yes, I was doing the dishes. I got 2 avocados, very ripe and ready, so we're going to use those right away. I got 4 sweet potatoes. Have you ever had a baked sweet potato loaded? If you haven't, you're missing out. Or a bacon sweet potato. Yes. Now, also, I got some cauliflower. So this is the hint. Guess what type of soup I'm going to be making with this? Cream of cauliflower, of course. Now, I've got 1 green pepper. Bell pepper, as they say. Then check this out. We got 10 unsweetened applesauce. Now this is really good. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's naturally sweet. You don't have to add sugar to this. It's wonderful. You could even use this, if you freeze it a bit, over top of a dessert. I'm telling you now. Then we got some pumpkin spice. Yes. You can put this to your cookies. You put this in your coffee. That would be wonderful. We got some chocolate protein drinks. Winter mint. Yeah, Jay is going to love that. Then I got, oh my goodness, look at this. A huge bag of cheddar cheese mild. You all, I'm going to go quiche crazy. Yes, I am. Then we got some tortillas. Corn. I'm going to show you guys how to make corn chips. I'm going to show you how to make your own corn chips. Okay? And then we can make nachos with the cheddar cheese. We're going to have nacho night, guys. Okay. So we got some macaroni and cheese. And as you know, I just use the pasta. I don't use that cheese packet because it's got way too much sodium. In fact, let's take a look here. Ooh, let me get that in focus. Sodium, 440 milligrams per serving. How many servings? 3. So 3 times that is a lot. It's over 1,000. Got some more light bulbs. 100 watt to light up outside the house. Since we do live next to a forest preserve. Okay. I've got some wonderful real fruit orange soda. You know what? Back in the day, all sodas were made with real fruit. They were, especially the citrus ones. Now, not so much. Such a shame. Ooh, look at this. We got, raspberry Danish. This is my absolute favorite other than the blueberry. I love this. Absolutely love it. And yes, I will eat it sparingly and not late at night. Well, I'll try. All right. My favorite, frozen blueberries. These make such wonderful smoothies and pies and muffins. You can even put it in a cake. Oh, especially for Halloween, those dark blueberry spots in there. Yes, we call it moldy cake. Now, I got some chicken. I don't know what this is. I think, yes, they are chicken thighs. I have a huge bag of them. So I'm going to make my hot sauce soup with this. I'm not sure. Are they thighs or legs? Or are they just different pieces? Well, we're going to find out when I unthaw them. Then I got the pork patties. I'm going to show you what you do with these. These are good. You can do them for breakfast. You can do them for a dinner, put them in gravy, or you can smoke them on the grill. They're already cooked, but they come out nice. Now let's get a little bit of a pan here so we can see what we got. As you see, it was a really good haul. We got plenty of stuff that we can make so many recipes with. Now remember, all this Octoberfest, I'm going to be showing you soups, casseroles, things to stretch your budget and warm your tummy when it's cold outside. Yes. All right, we're going to do some cream of cauliflower. Then we're going to move on to the, other soups and things. Write to me. Let me know what you need me to help you fix. I will do it, no problem. I'm going to be showing you how to use that can of salmon, so it'll be good. Fly? I can't believe there's a fly in here at this time. Anyway, Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef at gmail.com. I want you to like, I want you to comment, I want you to subscribe. Okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.
Uncle Chris, what you got